In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Claude AI desktop app from the moment you open it to getting everything ready to use. Whether you're brand new to Claude or you've used it in a browser before, I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. Once you've installed the Claude AI desktop app on your computer, go ahead and open it. You can usually do this by clicking the app icon from your desktop, your applications folder, or your taskbar, depending on your operating system. The first launch might take a moment as the app initializes, so don't worry if you see a brief loading screen. When the app opens, you should see a simple welcome screen with a clear button or option that says Get Started. Today, I'll show you how to move through this setup smoothly. Look for that Get Started button and click it. This tells the app you're ready to begin the initial setup process and connect your account. After you click Get Started, the app will either ask you to sign in, or if you don't have an account yet, it will give you the option to sign up. If you already have a Claude account from using the web version, you'll want to sign in with the same login details you used before. This keeps your past conversations and preferences connected across devices. If you're new to Claude and don't have an account yet, choose the sign up option. The app will ask for a few basic details, such as an email address and a password, or it might let you use an existing login method like signing in through a third-party identity provider. Take a moment to create a secure password that you'll remember and avoid reusing passwords from other services. Once you've filled in the required fields, confirm or continue to create your account. After you've signed in or signed up, the Claude AI desktop app will guide you with on-screen instructions. I'm going to walk you through how to handle this part confidently. The exact screens you see can vary slightly over time as the app is updated, but the general flow is similar. You might be asked to review and accept terms of use or a privacy policy, read through the key points, and once you're comfortable, click to accept and move forward. The app may also ask for some basic preferences like your language or region, which help tailor the experience. In some cases, the app might show a brief onboarding tour. This could highlight where to start a new conversation, how to access your settings, or how to view previous chats. It's a good idea to click through this tour at least once, especially if you're new to Claude. You can usually skip or exit the tour if you prefer, but taking a moment to see the layout can make using the app much easier later on. As you follow each on-screen prompt, take your time and read what's being shown before clicking next. If the app asks for permissions, such as sending notifications, decide whether you want Claude to alert you when responses are ready or when there are updates. You can often change these permission settings later inside the app's preferences if you change your mind. Once you've completed the on-screen instructions, you should land on the main Claude AI interface, ready to start a new chat. At this point, your desktop app is set up and ready to use. From here, you can begin typing a question or task into the input box and start exploring what Claude can do for you.